guys, it's Victoria Alexandra here. If you are new, welcome. So today I'm giving you guys a fall glam makeup tutorial on this look here, which is super gorgeous in my opinion. If you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, first I'm going to take this light brown shade in the e.l.f. Matte for Matte palette and use it as my transition color. Okay, now I'm going to go into the NYX Ultimate Bright palette and I'm going to use that light green shade as my first color in my crease. Going back into the Matte for Matte palette, I'm going to take that Hunter Green shade to deepen up my crease. Okay, I'm just going to go right back into the Ultimate Brights palette and use that light green shade to blend out that darker green that I just applied. Alright, I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette and take this black shade called Obsidian, and I'm going to apply it to the outer corner of my eye to create more depth. Alright, to cut the crease, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Okay, still in the Prism palette, I'm going to take Lucid, which is this white gold shade, and I'm going to apply this to the inner corner of my eye for this cut crease. Next, I'm going to take Pyramid, which is this sort of reddish gold, and I'm going to apply it to the middle of my lid. Okay, and lastly for the eyes, I'm going to take this shimmer emerald green called Throne and apply it to the outer corner. Alright, I'm going to take the Epic Ink Liner by NYX and line my eyes. For lashes, I'm going to take the Eye in the Iconic collection in the number 15. Just coat my lashes with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Per usual, to prime my face, I'll be using the NYX Angel Veil Primer. For foundation, I'll be taking the Maybelline Super Stay in the shade 360 Mocha. And I'm going to blend that out with my Morphe M439. Of course, you know, I had to take my beauty blender to make sure that everything was going to be smooth and flawless. For concealer, I'll be taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade Caramel. going to set that concealer with the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder. Alright, I'm going to take this concealer stick by Black Radiance in 8003 to contour. Okay, now I'm going to take that light green shade from the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and then I'm going to also take the Hunter Green shade from the Matte for Matte palette by e.l.f. and I'm just going to smoke out my bottom lash line. Taking this black liner pencil, I'm going to line my lower waterline. I'm going to take my Sephora Micro Smooth powder in deep, and I'm going to set my entire face with it. I'm going to apply this blush from this e.l.f. blush palette. Next, I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Next, for highlighter, I'm going to take my Black Radiance contour palette and use that highlight shade. I'm going to line my lips with Chestnut by MAC. Next, I'm going to apply the NYX Strictly Vinyl Gloss in Sugar Mama. Alright, and to top this off, I'm going to take Over the Top from Desi and Katie's Dose of Colors collection.
Alright, that is it for this tutorial. If you like this look, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, and sis, go ahead and subscribe while you're at it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.